think Woody's phone is going through the radar machine. Motherfucker, don't move that fast. All right, so Woody ran a marathon, as you've seen from the last clip. He made it.
I am here.
Woody, we're starting trouble in Clearwater. Started off right with a shot of Jameson.
Oh, man.
Tastes like winning. Cilantro.
Overhead compartments. Place your bag in wheels first,
Your boy's in his
then
seat.
turn it on its side to
Like it's first
maximize the
class,
space
baby.
available.
Pretty.
Small lightweight items may be placed in the seat pocket. If you
Thank
need
you very much.
You're welcome.
Coffee up soon?
Once we get up, I'll have it ready for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Not a Jamosa, but it'll do. Got my goose island IPA. And a movie I downloaded on Amazon Prime, Doubters and Believers. Jurgen Klopp, Liverpool manager. Run away. Yep. We're walking through the Charlotte airport, Woody.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. At least we're not running.
Definitely not.
Headed to our gate. B terminal. I'm sitting first class again. 9 minutes. Until I'm sitting up front, Woody.
It's only 19 again.
I'll tell you what, the plane makes a lot more noise up front. All the noises that you're like, what? I've never heard this before. All right, we're on our last leg of the journey. Here's the plane. Let's enjoy that bit of first class for the last time. He's a very sneaky man, but not this time. Woodpecker. Get in the back.
See you later.
Today, please make sure hit your flight attendant call
Irish
light.
coffee.
We'll come over and make sure you get seated as soon as possible to ensure an on-time departure.
Cilantro.
Once we do have all passengers and all luggage
Thank you.
on the aircraft.
In case you're wondering, this is Woody's view because he tags me and everything, as he should. Right on the wing. Right behind me. In the peasant view. We're starting to push back. Leaving Charlotte. It's been real. But we need Tampa. We need the Phillies. We need baseball.
The
we need
seatbelt
palm
sign is
trees.
on. Please. right, touchdown in Tampa. Rental car secured. Gonna go pick it up. Hey, Woody.
Here we
You like
go.
that? You like that free beer?
Oh yeah, first class. Peasants love that stuff.
Peasants love free shit. All right, we're on the road, Woody, in Tampa.
Yeah, buddy.
Before we head to Clearwater, we got one stop we got to show you. Showed up on Instagram, we researched it. It's a must-do. Maulhoppers is closed for the time being while we're down here because of the hurricanes and shit, but you know what? We found a second place, and we're going there now. Let's go. And there's a Lowe's in front of us. Compensating for a small dick. All right. Let's see what we're doing here. Down this road here. I got a good feeling. Whoa, whoa. Bad place to park the bike.
Maybe it means a parking spot opened up.
2.
Oh, yeah.
Shit. Oh shit.
That's what I'm talking
Let's
about.
park this whip real quick. I give you the boathouse. Look at that. Oh shit, Woody, here we go. Downsize go.
Did you want one of those little pump things?
Nope, I just had a bottle, so thanks.
Woody. I think we found something better than Maulhoppers.
This is definitely different. Definitely different.
Look at this view.
This is more of a death trap.
Little boat dock. We just took the 50-cent tour. And a nice cold Coors Light, Woody. Look at this.
Any other times?
Things you find online. Here's this little band area. The women's room. Looks clean. Look at this. Good old American dive bars, Woody. Dive bar. Oh, we'll sit in the booth, Woody. Sit in. Here, Woody, have a seat. There we go.
Oh, what do you got?
What I got? I got a little tripod here, Woody. Now it follows me. Put it in there. Now it puts in the middle of us. You're getting out of it. There you go.
I seen it move.
No, I can make it track. All right. Got a phone call from the king of dive bars, Mike Richards. Look at him.
Oh, yeah, baby. I love it. I love it. I support it 100%.
Not at the boat club, but in Cape May, New Jersey.
Looking for any dive bar I could find.
There we go. We got to write our name down. We'll just start with the table horse. We're going to do it a couple times. And we start now. We're going to go here. Bam. Have a day with Slice, baby. I feel like people are going to take pictures in front of this sign. We'll go on top. Bam. Have a day with Slice. Boat Club. All right, Woody, the biggest decision of your life. What are you going to write?
Pull out?
Oh, there you go. Woody always pulls out. Think about it.
No fuck trophies.
No fuck trophies. Woodpacker.
Don't do it.
Old school bar thing. Gangsta leaning. Now we got the Duke, John Wayne here. That's gonna do it. That is the boat club here, right outside Tampa, Florida. Boat in a tree. That's the boat club. Saw it on Instagram. We made it happen. Just for you. Before we roll out, look at this. 120-year-old dive bar. Grandfathered in to old laws. Still going. I don't know how the fuck the thing's still standing, but the bar's still here. Boat club, check it out. Now, Woody.
Yo.
Let's go back to let's get to Clearwater, man. It's time to go. I'm tired of driving. Headed to Clearwater, but look at this fucking view. How do you not want to see this in March? Look at that shit, baby. Oh, man. Exceptional view there, Woody.
Oh yeah.
And then what's even better? This welcome sign right here. Welcome to Clearwater. Clearwater.
Water.
And Woody, we're in the cult area of
Scientology.
Look at that shit. Fucking weird ass motherfuckers in here. Scientology. Fucking cult motherfuckers. Look at this shit. Their main base. Got fucking Scientology out there. Look at that. Oh, got a nice little dumper on her though. Scientology, Woody.
Meh.
Meh. I'd rather drink and have fun.
Yeah.
The beach is that way. That way. Wonder what they got going on here, Woody.
Yeah. Truck from LA out here.
Can you get Pornhub on that thing? We're officially here and we're officially changed. Your boy is in Clearwater and your boy Woody is fucking dressed like it's fucking winter. 80 fucking degrees, dude's wearing fucking jeans. The fuck, Wood? What the fuck, Woodpecker?
Not hot yet.
Not that hot yet. Let's go to Shepherd's. Let's meet up with our friends.
You want drinks for your subscribers?
I met up with friends, I'm not gonna lie. But they're all subscribed to my channel, so I did what?
I bought us beers.
Bought drinks.
Let's go.
Let's go. Have a day. This will be our last stop. Through back there, but we're on a rooftop here in Clearwater Beach. Check this shit out. That right there is the Gulf of America. Note that down. Gulf of America. Sunset shot with sunset. Hope you had a day with me. Always have a day with Slice. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers, y'all.